How to see new accepted friend requests on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Friends. Now, tap on Your Friends. Here, you can view all your friends on Facebook. Go to the top right corner and tap on Sort. Select Newest Friends first. Your friend list will now be sorted according to this filter. This gives you more control on your experience on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily see new accepted friend requests on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.